Welcome to this channel. This is Nathaniel. How are you guys doing? In this video, we're going to see common Amharic phrases. And the first one is endate na. Endate na. Endate na. So that's like saying, how are you to a male. Endate na. Endate na. If you want to say, how are you to a male, you say endate na. Endate na. This letter h indicates that you're talking to a male. H. Endate na. Endate na. If you want to say, how are you to a female, you say, endate nish. Endate nish. Endate nish. If you want to say, how are you to a bunch of people, you say, endate nachu. Endate nachu. Endate nachu. Endate nachu. The word endate means how. Nachu means, are you guys? Endate nachu. Endate nachu. If you want to say, how are you to an old man or an old woman, you say endate note. Endate note. Endate note. Endate note. Let's say, for example, you're talking to an old man and you want to say, how are you? You say endate note. You wouldn't say endate na. That's just like a sign of disrespect. So you say endate note. Endate note. The word note is like, it's just like a sign of respect. You're respecting the old man. So you say endate note. Endate note. How are you? Endate note. If you want to say I'm good, you say dehna nain. Dehna nain. Dehna nain. The word dehna means good, well, or fine. And then the word nain means I am. I am. Dehna nain. I'm good. If you want to say it's been a while since I saw you to a male, you say defa. 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 The literal definition of the word, the phrase defa is you've disappeared. You've disappeared. You've disappeared. If you want to say it's been a while since I saw you to a female, you say defash. 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 And the literal definition of the phrase defash is you've disappeared. You've disappeared. If you want to say it's been a while since we talked or met or whatever the case, you can say tetafa fun. Tetafa fun. Tetafa fun. It's been a while since we talked or met or seen each other. If you want to say give me to a male, you say sitayn. 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 If you want to say give me to a female, you say sijing. 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 If you want to say I think so, you say meselling. 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 If you want to say let's play, you say enjout. 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 Let's go to another place. Let's go to another place. Leila buta النهيد. Leila buta النهيد. Let's go to another place. Leila means another. Bota means place. النهيد means let's go. النهيد. Let's go. Leila buta النهيد. ያንን አልፈልግም. ያንን አልፈልግም። I don't want that. I don't want that. ያንን አልፈልግም. The word ያንን means that one, or that. አልፈልግም means I don't want. ያንን አልፈልግም. ያንን አልፈልግም. If you want to say I want this one, you say ይሄንን ነው የምፈልገው. ይሄንን ነው የምፈልገው. I want this one. So the word ይሄንን means this one. The word no means is. የምፈልገው means the one that I want. የምፈልገው, the one that I want. ይሄንን ነው የምፈልገው. I want this one. እንዴት ሊሆን ይችላል? እንዴት ሊሆን ይችላል? How can that be? እንዴት ሊሆን ይችላል? The word እንዴት is how. ሊሆን ይችላል. Can that be? How can that be? እንዴት ሊሆን ይችላል? ጥያቄ አለኝ. ጥያቄ አለኝ. ጥያቄ አለኝ. I have a question. I have a question. ጥያቄ means question. አለኝ means I have. Means I have. ጥያቄ አለኝ. I have a question. If you want to say I don't have a question, you can say ጥያቄ የለኝም. ጥያቄ የለኝም. I don't have a question. The word የለኝም means I don't have. And the word ጥያቄ is question. So ጥያቄ የለኝም. I don't have a question. ለምን አልመጣህም? ለምን አልመጣህም? So if you want to say why didn't you come to a meal, you say ለምን አልመጣህም? ለምን አልመጣህም? ለምን አልመጣህም? The word lemon means why. አልመጣህም means didn't you come? ለምን አልመጣህም? If you want to say ለምን አልመጣሽም, I mean, if you want to say why didn't you come to a female, you can say ለምን አልመጣሽም. ለምን አልመጣሽም. ለምን አልመጣሽም. ለምን አልመጣሽም. The word lemon means why. አልመጣሽም means didn't you come? If you want to say I couldn't, you say አልቻልኩም ነበር. አልቻልኩም ነበር. አልቻልኩም ነበር. አልቻልኩም ነበር. If you want to say keep in touch to a male, you say አትጥፋ. 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 And the literal definition of this phrase አትጥፋ would be don't disappear. Don't disappear, right? So if you want to say keep in touch to a female, you say አትጥፊ. 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 And the literal definition of this phrase would be don't disappear. አትጥፊ. አትጥፊ. If you want to say when should we meet, you say መቼ እንገናኝ. መቼ እንገናኝ. The word መቼ means when, and the phrase እንገናኝ. እንገናኝ, should we meet. መቼ እንገናኝ. መቼ እንገናኝ. When should we meet? If you want to say we can meet next week, you can say የሚቀጥለው ሳምንት መገናኘት እንችላለን. የሚቀጥለው ሳምንት መገናኘት እንችላለን. የሚቀጥለው ሳምንት መገናኘት እንችላለን. We can meet next week. All right. the word የሚቀጥለው means የሚቀጥለው means the next one. ሳምንት means week. The word መገናኘት means to meet. እንችላለን means we can. እንችላለን, we can. All right, let's see this whole thing one more time really quick. እንዴት ነህ? እንዴት ነህ? እንዴት ነህ? እንዴት ነሽ? እንዴት ናችሁ? እንዴት ኖት? ደህና ነኝ። ጠፋ፣ ጠፋሽ። ተጠፋፋን። ስጠኝ፣ ስጪኝ። መሰለኝ። እንጫወት። ሌላ ቦታ እንሂድ። ያንን አልፈልግም። ይሄንን ነው የምፈልገው። እንዴት ሊሆን ይችላል? ጥያቄ አለኝ። ጥያቄ የለኝም። ለምን አልመጣህም? ለምን አልመጣሽም? አልቻልኩም ነበር። አትጥፋ፣ አትጥፊ። መቼ እንገናኝ? የሚቀጥለው ሳምንት መገናኘት እንችላለን። All right, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching.